they're really believing that there's going to be a time where they're giving orders to flood the streets and to come out. But the uprising has already happened. I mean, take a look at the Iranians outside of Los Angeles and outside of Toronto, New York, all over the world. They have already uprised, and they have became the voice of the people inside of Iran. And they do have someone that is representing them, and someone that inside of Iran are calling for is Reza Pahlavi. And we do have a leader into this revolution, and that's someone that wants a democratic future and is supporting freedom and everything